Today guys, I show you how to make presentation fast for your work or your school. If you find this guide helpful, like and subscribe to the channel and enjoy this video. Okay guys, all you need to do, just open your browser today like me and type here in search Google presentation. And you will see this first site, open it and you will see like this. Move here to sign in and choose your Google account. After that you will see this. You can move here on these three dots and you can choose here slides. That's for presentation. Open it. To make new presentation, just go on this plus and you will see this like me. In this case, everything is easy to use, like these themes and like slides. For choosing theme, you will see right, choose your theme like me, and you can type here your title. In this case, I use this example and this is description. You can also add image, move here to insert and you will see here image. You can upload for your PC or you can take by camera. Add your image like me and you will see that's your image. Just customize where you need. After doing that, to add new slide, you will see left this plus, click on it and you automatically add new slide. If you need more, just hit here plus. After that, to customize font, just click on new text and you will see up here you can bold and choose new font. Just easy select font that you love, but make sure you select this and you will see your new font. Also for colors, it's the same way, select text and you will see here color and choose your favorite color. It's easy to use. Also you have here many extension, tools and you can also shape. You can here delete slide, skip slide or apply some layout. Also you have here transition. Click this and choose your transition and I will use fade. Go apply to all sides. If you want to be to all your slides, just apply to all slides. After finishing that, you have here slideshow. Just press this and you can watch your presentation slideshow. Also you can share your presentation. Just give name and copy link. For downloading presentation, move here to file and you will see here download. Go here Microsoft PowerPoint and save your presentation. But remember, you need PowerPoint on your PC to see your presentation. And that's it all guys for this video, how to make presentation for school and work. If you find this guide helpful, like and subscribe to the channel and I see you in the next video.